Hello everybody, my name is Marple, and today I'm starting my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to bring you guys a game that I have loved. Well, from a series that I know. I've never actually played this one. I have played Dead Space 2 and 3, and I enjoyed both of those games. And I'm pretty sure a while back you guys knew that there was the reboot, the remastered version of Dead Space, and I've never played it. So I'm fairly excited to bring it and see, how it goes. So, without further ado, let's get started. See mission UR529 status update. USG carry on en route to the Aegis systems. Objectives. I did not get to read all of that. I was reading a little slow.
I think it's me. I wish I could talk to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about everything. I just wish I could talk to someone. It's all falling apart here. I can't believe what's happening. Strange. Such a little thing.
That's her? Nicole?
Yeah. First deferred from her in weeks.
We're 5 minutes out, you still got that thing on repeat? Guess you really miss her.
Ishimura is not a job you turn down, but 6 months apart with only vid calls? It's rough. Easy to say the wrong thing.
I don't blame you. I'd listen to my girlfriend over Hammond reciting security protocols.
Forewarned is forearmed, Miss Davis.
So you keep saying...
Here we go. Nice clean re-entry. Aegis 7.
Imagine 6 months staring at that chunk of rock.
To an independent miner, that's paradise. Aegis 7 is one of the richest finds in CEC history. Some prospecting team set up for life. Now where is she?
There.
Confirming visual contact with USG Ishimura.
What a beauty. Biggest planet cracker in her class, you know. And it looks like they already popped the core.
Why is it so dark? We should be able to see her running lights.
Yeah. I'll get us into hailing range. Someone's got to be waiting up for us.
Just be careful on the approach. I'm not taking any chances with CEC's pride and joy.
No chances, huh? Is that why you were digging into my personnel files before we left?
You track your file access?
Computer analyst. Comes with the job.
I ran standard CEC background checks, Miss Daniels. If you want to work in the big leagues, you have to play ball.
Sir, we're in hailing range. USG Ishimura, this is the emergency maintenance team of the USG Kelly, responding to your distress call. Come in, Ishimura. Ishimura, do you copy? Come in. This is the USG Kelly.
You ever hear of a full communications blackout on one of these things?
Never. Come on. Someone pick up the damn phone.
The hell is that?
Sounds like their communication array is busted. Maybe a broken encoder. Daniels and I can handle it in 48 hours, max.
Hey, that gives you plenty of time to catch up with Nicole.
Yeah, I hope so.
Jen, Johnson, take us in.
Gravity feathers engaged. Automated docking. Let's go.
We're losing control.
We're on course! Danger!
Guidance system override isn't responding.
Shit, we're coming in too hot. It's gonna smash us into the hull.
Jen, aim for that emergency stabilizer. There, the blue light. It might slow us down.
Got it.
That's quite the rough landing.
Everyone okay?
I'm good.
I'll live. Hey, Johnston. Alright?
It's my ankle. Might be broken.
Shit, but better than a broken neck. Or worse. Good call on the stabilizer, Isaac.
Gotta always read the manual.
What the fuck's going on with flight control? That guidance system's a death trap.
Better added to your repair list. Jen, what's our damage?
Comms are down. We lost support booster. Got a fire in one of the stabilizers and singularity core's a mess. Could be worse, but not by much.
Then let's get some help. Johnston, stay with the Kelly. We'll send a medic. Everyone else, with me.
Alright, let's get with this guy. Chapter 1, New Arrivals. But yeah, like I was saying, I've played Dead Space 2 and 3.
Came down hard.
Background request to Zach Hammond from Unknown. Read background request. Pre-request, here's what we can find on these specialists. Base sent for the repair mission.
Must have heard that landing.
Isaac Clarke. Isaac was born to Cole Octavia Clarke.
Johnson might disagree.
Was born to Cole and Octavia Clarke on Earth in the eastern seaboard region of American Republic. Cole Clarke was an award-winning ship architect employed by Galactic Union Merchants Marine Corps. His records show extended time off world, away from his family. When Isaac was born...
Isaac, guess we better go.
Hold on, I'm reading something. When Isaac was born, Cole was given a temporary reassignment to an Earth-based GUMMC ship production facility. During the 4-year tour, Cole and Octavia raised Isaac together. When the tour was over, Cole shipped off to an extended off-world tour. Cole's influence on his son must have rubbed off. Records indicate Isaac pursued studies in mechanical and electrical engineering and achieved high honors. According to medical and psychiatric reports,
Isaac, guess we better go.
I'm trying to read something. Why are you guys asking me to rush?
Let's get this done, Isaac.
Okay, fine. I'll read this later. Follow the security team. I was trying to get some background on Isaac, man. And this is where it all began.
At least we didn't take out the sign.
It's quite the welcoming sign.
May as well get signed in.
Though I have played through the beginning of this, just probably about like an hour in, but after that, I got no idea what's after that. So I'm excited.
Isaac, come sink your rig.
Where? Oh, I didn't realize.
To the USG Ishimura.
I thought I was waiting on them.
Rig synced. Collect kinesis and stasis modules from Acting Chief Engineer Jacob Temple. Location? Error. Employee not found.
Oh, something's.
I can't reach security.
Same for the chief engineer. What is wrong with their comms?
They're busted, man. You said it earlier. Oh, sorry. Oh, nope, never mind. We got power. I cannot say. Oh, text log. This kind of article is sponsored by CC's
Someone left in a hurry.
Publishing Division. The Views Amazing Universe.
Where's the security detail? Where's anybody?
There's nothing logged. No duty roster. No power to the elevator.
Okay.
For God's sake.
When you put power to the elevator,
That
what does that
security
mean again?
console's still working. Isaac, get a damage report. I'm done playing around.
Alright, let's see. Oh no. Okay, no. Okay.
Something on the floor here. Is that?
Isaac, I need that damage report.
It looks to be blood. But, you know, he wants that damage report, so I'll give him that damage report. How about that?
Oh God, that smell.
What have you got, Isaac?
Yeah,
Shit.
no, that doesn't smell good.
It's not just comms or the guidance system. Half the Ishimura's in the red. Engines, hull, the trams.
Could do that kind of damage to a planet cracker.
Power. Ventilation's up. Power to the elevator.
Hazardous anomaly detected.
Oh,
Quarantine quarantine activated.
Another
I should
malfunction?
add, it's been a little while
No.
since I played this.
The quarantine systems are all fine.
Oh, wait. Do you hear that?
Yeah. Yeah, I hear it.
Hammond?
Take it easy. Daniels, get those elevators.
There's something new building.
Oh, God!
Oh!
Daniel, get the doors open! Get out of
Is there anything I could do? Where? Oh, this way. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, when you don't have anything to defend yourself, you're kind of, terrified. Oh, God. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, God. Start. There we go. Hey, how you doing? No, oh, God. Oh. Oh, yeah. It's all coming together. Oh, God. Hello? Oh, God. Wait, is that something up here? Oh. I'm so glad I did not miss that. Hell yeah. Oh. I wonder what I should do. Standard issue CEC mining tool. Fires precision shots that slice through most materials. Hey. Oh. Bop. Alright. Wait, do I... Okay, now I can stop. Grab that. There's some ammo probably over here. Yep. Oh, credits. Oh, hello. Give me that ammo. I believe I can go that way. I don't think I can go over here. Oh, hello. Alright. I got this. Everything's all right. Oh.
Security request retrieved.
It didn't die. We shot that fucker right between the eyes and it didn't die. Smith had to shoot its fucking arms and legs off. For God's sake, send help!
Sir? Are you okay? Sir, oh. Oh, don't mind if I do. Thank you for your patronage. Oh, you know what? I probably do. Before I even get killed by an enemy, I'm gonna kill myself by a door. Alright. Get to see. Oh.
Isaac.
They're still
Oh
alive.
my God, Isaac. You made it.
They're everywhere. Shit, is he,
He's gone. Nothing I can do.
No surprise.
What the fuck are these things?
The ones I saw, some of them were wearing Ishimura uniforms.
They're the crew? How the hell can they be the crew? Look at them.
I mean, yeah,
We
look
need
at
to
them.
get to
They're
the
wearing
bridge.
the suits.
There's 1,000 people on board. Someone will be there.
We can't. The tram system's wrecked. Everything's locked down because of the quarantine.
And you're both repair techs. So how do we do this?
It's a bit above my pay grade.
There's a broken tram car blocking the tunnel. It's gridlocked the system. And the data board's burned out. I can't lift the lockdown or call the tram until we get a spare from the maintenance bay. But it's all on Isaac's side of the quarantine.
I'll handle it. Just make sure there's power to the repair systems.
And Isaac,
Yeah?
I'm sure Nicole's okay. She's a doctor, right? She'll do the smart thing.
Yeah. Yeah, she always does. Find somewhere safe. I'll be back soon.
Alright. I wanted to read through... what was it? Was it background request? Yeah, it was the background request. Okay. Let's see, it was probably about... here, yeah. According to medical and psychiatric reports, Paul Clark's absence had a profound effect on Octavia. She suffered from depression and personal anguish until doctors encouraged her to find fulfillment by working with charitable organizations. It is believed that this is how she ended up coming in contact with the Church of Unitology. At first, her association with the church appeared to alleviate her mental condition. The cancellation of her therapy sessions corresponded with local parish announcements of her initiation ceremony. There are indications that she sold off much of her family's estate to financial full membership in the church and the soul cleanse they required to enter the higher ranks. Soul cleanse. Isaac appears to have been selected to a prominent engineering school, but we surmise that he was unable to afford the tuition, as records show that he instead attended a lesser-known school with the help of scholarships and financial assistance. After graduating with high honors, Isaac enlisted in the Merchant Marine. He quickly gained reputation for his resourceful engineering solutions, and after 2 years was promoted to a higher profile position closer to the major shipping lanes. Isaac's career stagnates at this point. This would coincide with psychiatric reports that his mother's mental health was deteriorating, and bank records show payments to a psychiatric facility for treatment. This seems to be where Isaac met medical officer and neuropsychiatrist called Nicole Brennan, and her name appears on Octavia's position roster. The two of them ended up cohabiting until Brennan accepting a promotion and left to serve on the USG Ishimura. Pohl's return from his extended tour coincided with Octavia's release from the hospital. Whatever his assignment was, Pohl's service records remained mysteriously classified by executive order, and unless confided in Isaac. He took his secrets to the... Freaking, I cannot speak today, apparently. He took his secrets to the grave. The next records we have are death notices for both Pohl and Octavia. Their bodies were willed to the custody of the Church of Unitology along with Clark's entire estate. Apparently, on Octavia's wishes, Isaac's repeated petitions to have his parents' bodies returned seem to have been ignored, since the church refused any inquiries related to its members and their cause of death is unknown. Overall, Isaac's more than qualified to handle a job like Ishimura. I'd talk politics over religion, though. Kendra Daniels couldn't find anything in her time you gave. But Dalton swears by her. Apparently, she's on mission with his recommendation if he thinks she has what it takes. Who might argue? Right. Let's see, how much stuff... There's a lot, isn't there? Yeah, there's a lot. Run.
Chris is still after us! Run!
Oh, that's it?
It didn't die. We shot it.
Okay. Alright. There's more credits. Oh, save station. Alright. We shall get this going. Got a good save. See, I came in from that way. Is there something over here? Data board. Oh, I need... Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to get a data board for that. That panel. I know entirely what I'm doing, and we're gonna do all right. You guys are gonna be with me the entire time. It's gonna be great. Oh, this is where that... Okay. Oh, that's right, that guy's around here, so... If I've known anything from Dead Space 2 and 3... Out. Yeah! No, sir. We are not doing that today. Oh, so it's one or the other. Okay, let's... How about no? It's gonna... Okay. You know what, that's weird. Power... Oh, power's over here. Oh! Yeah, no. Look. I scared him away. Just as much as I'm scared of him. I am a big strong boy. Let's do this. Thank you. Alright. To the maintenance bay. There's another save station.
Isaac,
Maybe
don't bother shooting those fuckers in the head. Doesn't even slow them down.
Okay. The only way is hacking them apart. Those arms, their legs.
Does that even kill them? Or do they just stop moving?
Now you shoot them in the arms and the legs, and I think they'll stop. So, you just gotta keep shooting in the legs. Alright. So, I remember this vaguely. But not much. Okay. My aim is wonderful. Oh, that's... Okay. I am a terrible shot. Oh yeah. There's explosives here. Should have got those. Where? Oh, there. Okay. We are safe. No, you're not safe. We are not okay. We may not have this. Good stretch, eh, Smokey? My cat is laying in his bed right now. He's quite cute. Okay. I remember a little bit of this, and I think there's stasis in here. And, okay, yeah, no, I'm not gonna deal with this. Oh! Okay. Didn't think that was gonna happen. Let's see. So that's out of how? What's this? Oh, more plasma energy. Thank God, because I'm a terrible shot if you guys can't tell. Let's continue up and around. Let's see if I can find anything else. Getting caught on by the freaking walls. There's a lot of them. Well, hello over there. I wish I wasn't the only one here. You're so alone. Wait, did I just... I think I went in a circle. I went in a... Wait, where am I supposed to go? Oh, that actually was really cool. So much for saying that I knew what I was doing. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Okay. Wait. Oh, wait. There's a door over here. Let's see, an elevator. Some more credits. Let's use. Yeah, we're not going to talk about it. Okay. really thought that was one. Let's see. Every guest space thing. You gotta look around, you gotta find everything. Because we don't. Well, are you even doing it right? Try to get you with that first one, but no, I saw you. Barely. Alright, continue on. Let's see, this one goes down to... Oh, I think that one, yeah, that goes down to the one that had the power off. Oh, that turns off the lights. You know what? I didn't need no lights. I can see everything. I'm not scared of the dark. I don't know what you're talking about. USG Ishimura Aerospace Engineering Department Shuttle Repairs and Voice Mission Day 2. Facility for gyro vessel USG Ishimura 503. Okay, so it's just repairing. Replace not functional Mission Day 3 scope. Vessel USG 501 still repair. Damaged landing repulsors. Okay. Alright, with the lights off though, I should be able to access that room below me. I think that has stasis. Oh, hello. We're fine. They can't sneak up on us. We got it. Look, these guys are easy. Easy. Shoot him in the leg, shoot him in the arm. That's all I gotta do. Let's see. Let's get a breather in here. Max load. 2,600 kilograms. Do not exceed max load. I shall do my best. Alright, let's go and run back over here. Back over there. See what's happening. Yeah, we got him! No. Ow! Ow! Hello, how you doing? How you doing, boy? Ow, okay. That was... We got it. There's no problems. Easy, right? We know exactly what to do. Easy. There's no problems. To M. Smith from J. Wright. Subject, Poker Night. Keeping off rig link in case Benson's listening. You remember Poker Night? Or are you going to let Caitlin keep walking around with your credits? To J. Wright from M. Smith. Poker Night. But I'm in. But you can't invite Pavey this time. I know he's still blaming himself for Sarah's incident and everything, but no one wants to hear about anyone's fucking nightmares. Especially the one where he saw Sarah up and walking around with half his head missing. Oh, that's fun. And don't give me shit about it. I'm serious. It's messing with me. Last night I had one of those dreams where you wake up, you know? But my dad was sitting next to my bed, talking to me. It felt so real. I kept seeing him out of the corner of my eye all day. Trust me. That's one son of a bitch who needs to stay dead. Smith. So, we got families
Isaac,
coming back to
we
life.
can't stay here much longer. Hearing a lot of movement.
I'm halfway done. Found a data board. Just gotta move the tram.
Okay,
So that's
Daniels, watch that door.
I thought I got stasis up here. Never mind. Let's see what the bench has to offer today. That's better. You know, a little bit more HP goes this way. I'm interested to know why there's so much. Oh, it's because I don't even have those things yet. That makes sense. I was wondering why there were so many node ports and like why do you even have them? No. Alright. Let's make it back to Oka. It was just okay. Okay. No, there's so many of you guys. You're at this whole shit. Alright. Oh god, hello. No. Stop it. Stay dead. Stop it. Alright. So, we got our data board. And we are heading back to go save the other ones. I see I've forgotten their names already. This is, they are important people. They are very much so important people. I don't know if I need that one, but I'm gonna turn that back on anyways. Hello. Were you just waiting for me from earlier? Okay, okay. My aim is the best. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Okay, oh yes, over here. Let's go install this data board. Data board goes over here.
Data board reinstalled. Error. Damaged tram on track.
Oh, joy.
Contact maintenance immediately.
I believe we are the maintenance team, aren't we? Joy. Something else I got written. Alright, where is this? Oh. I take it I might be getting stasis here in a moment, but... that looks... hanging around? It's probably not the best place to be. Just forewarning.
Security clearance required.
Security clearance. You guys are on shutdown. Oh. Stasis mod. Hey. Oh. Is it not gonna... I was hoping that it would have told me.
Reading a door malfunction between you and the maintenance bay. Can you fix it?
Oh.
No, but I found a stasis module. If I'm faster than... I got it.
Nice. I figured out what button it was. You know, this quite frankly looks like a trap. I'm going for it anyways. Oh. I guess it wasn't a trap. Alright, let's do another quick save. And, excuse me. What's going on? Okay. I think everything's okay. Just a really bad headache. Has not been sanitized for error. Gate. Oh boy. I found inside the fence. I don't know what that. I don't know what the middle one is. What it said. Oh, hello. I don't think Isaac is doing okay. Man, his heart is just beating so fast. I can't really read that I don't miss. Let's leave into their privacy. Let's take that was power up. Okay. Grammy card. We got this. Easy. Small med pack. I probably need a couple of these. Let's see, what do I got? Oh, I only have 2. Man, I already went through all that health that I got. Power node, plasma energy.
Message retrieved.
Vents into engineering. You got a stasis module handy? We need one in tram maintenance stat. The autoloader's fried. I got a damaged tram car on the tracks, and if the whole system's gridlocked, guess who they're calling?
Central here, sending a stasis module now. What happened to the autoloader?
No idea. A lot of shit's been breaking down. I keep hearing things. Down in the gears where no one could be. You know?
I know.
Well, quite frankly, I think there was a handful of things down there, so...
Repair systems online. Loading system reinitialized.
I do vaguely remember this.
Warning. Autoloader malfunction. Please contact a repair technician.
Hey, aren't I one of those? I think. How about you stay over there, please? Oh, I thought I saw something. Wouldn't surprise me if that's the case. Excuse me, but I don't like the fact that there's 2 of you in here. Oh god! We got this. We got it down to a science, guys. Okay. Claws attached.
Replacing damaged tram car. Please stand by.
There's not much else. My aim is immaculate. I don't know what y'all are talking about. Where it else is. There you go. Alright. We's solid. We's got this. Easy. No issues. We got
Tram
this.
replacement complete.
Alrighty.
You got it. The tram was jamming the whole system.
I'm heading back to tram control. Should be able to call you a ride to the bridge.
Good. Just hurry. I keep hearing noises right under our feet.
Don't worry, Daniels. It's okay. We got this. I will get you guys out of this. Lickety split. You know what? Since I'm right here, I'm back for that. But I would have to say for now, this is all the time I have for this episode. And I will catch you all in the next one. So, thank you so very much for joining. I shall see you guys later. Bye-bye.